Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. First I want to say, if you watched my last video, thank you so much. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It's a new year. Happy 2025. If you guys have any ideas or any videos that you guys think I should post, just make sure to drop that down in the comment box below. And without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So today I have a good, interesting video for you guys, which is going to be Sephora haul. So I'm just going to let you guys know everything that I got from Sephora to try as like a get unready with me. So I just did my makeup and everything. If you guys haven't had a chance to shop, make sure you guys go shop for my lashes. And there's gonna be some good things coming to the website soon. So the first thing that I got is a pharmacy green clean makeup melt away cleansing balm. So it helps you remove your makeup and things. So that's exactly what we're about to do. We're gonna remove my makeup. And I also got this Summer Fridays lip balm. First things first, I just finished up my makeup. All I have to do is put on some highlighter. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty highlighter. Hopefully you guys had a good new year. I decided that I was going to approach New Year holidays and everything just being super grateful. So I'm really grateful about everything. I feel like this is my year, this is our year, because guess what, it is. And I have another highlighter that I like to use. It's called How Many Carats, Fenty Beauty again. Chris & Co Cosmetics. If you guys haven't shopped, why haven't y'all? Go ahead and shop. The link is in the description box below. Get a little close up of the lashes. Thank you. Okay guys, and also a new product that I will be launching on my site soon are these lip glosses. They're gonna come in different shades. So I already lined out my lips. So now I'm gonna go in with bubblegum and candy baby and also cinnamon roll. So for cinnamon roll, love the pigment on the color. And then I'm gonna go in with bubblegum. Super cute pink. So now I'm gonna go in with Candy Baby. much lighter, softer pink. Like I said, guys, my lip glosses will be dropping on the website soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned in to grab them. All right, guys, so I'm about to remove my makeup, and I really love my look today. Like, I can't even explain it. It was so cute. So the next item that I got is this Belief moisturizing eye balm. And this is a new product that I'm gonna try out, so I'll kind of like let you guys know how it is, like how it works and things, and I might even use it in this video as I'm removing my makeup. So another thing that I got is called the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. So which I really like. I think I've used this before. I think I have. Oh no, I haven't used this before, so this is new for me that I'm also gonna try. And let me also try this. And also got me some NARS. This is in the color chocolate. Some new concealer. And then I also got this Aqua Bomb eye gel that I'm gonna try. So yeah, I'm excited to try these products actually. Comes in this little like applicator thing, like this. And then the last thing that I got was topicals, the topical eye patches. I've been excited to try this product as well, so we'll see. And that's all I spent. The price isn't even on here, but okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove my makeup, and I'm thinking I should just use like a wet paper towel. Also, if you don't have micellar water, really good for removing your makeup. Really good. So I'm just going to use some of the Pharmacy Green Clean Balm. My makeup. So now I'm gonna go in with my summer Guys, that's pretty much all I do to get ready with me. So yeah, if you like this video, let's get it to 100,000 likes and let's get me to 1K subscribers. And guys, keep a lookout for the next video because we're definitely going up. So I'll catch you guys. Thanks for watching.